Hello, good morning. Remember a couple of days ago I told you guys that I had a secret to reveal? Well, I'm about to reveal my secret. Here is my secret. It's my tree that I've been wanting to do for many years. And I finally got around to it. And I made these ornaments. Got those on sale, by the way. Made these little boxes with 68 cents a box, plus a free bag from Victoria's Secret. And then I got these for $3.99 a pack in their glass at Michael's. And this one too was like 70% off, so it came up to like $2. Total amount I spent. Oh yeah, and these beautiful flowers. Oh my God, I love these. Look at this. I just felt like I wanted to do something different, like how I always do, and I love crafting. And I think I spent about maybe $85 total. The only thing that was expensive were these, the little perfumes inside, not the containers. The little containers, I ordered them from Amazon, and they were about 12 for $8 or something like that. I can't remember exactly. Ordered those a long time ago. And then the little perfumes inside were 3 for $48, but it was Victoria's Secret was having a sale where you buy 2 packs and you get 2 for free. So I spent about $80 on those. So total spent, no, maybe like $90 on my tree. Not bad. And here it is, my Victoria's Secret theme Christmas tree ambience, which I love. What do you think?